Top 5 reason to consider career as an air traffic controller. A career in air traffic control, ATC, is both challenging and rewarding, offering opportunities for personal growth, professional development, and financial stability. Here are the top 5 reasons to consider this career path. Number 1. High earning potential. Air traffic controllers are among the highest paid professionals without requiring a 4-year college degree. With competitive salaries, overtime opportunities, and benefits, it's an attractive choice for those seeking financial stability. Number 2. Job stability and demand. The aviation industry is essential for global transportation and commerce, making ATC roles vital. With steady demand for skilled air traffic controllers, this career offers long-term job security and growth prospects. Number 3. Dynamic and exciting work environment. Air traffic controllers work in high-stakes, fast-paced settings that require quick decision-making and multitasking. Every day presents unique challenges, ensuring the work remains engaging and never monotonous. Number 4. Sense of responsibility and impact. Air traffic controllers play a crucial role in ensuring passenger and pilot safety. The ability to contribute to safe and efficient air travel gives a deep sense of purpose and accomplishment. Number 5. Career advancement opportunities. With experience, controllers can move into supervisory, training, or management roles, offering clear pathways for career growth. Additionally, some may transition to related fields such as aviation consulting or safety management. If you thrive under pressure, enjoy solving problems, and want a career that makes a tangible impact, air traffic control could be an excellent fit. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006. Visit our website www.amecet.in.